Welcome to Nature Boy. In this video, I am going to explain you the one of the finest flower on the earth, the Krishna kamal or the fashion flower or the Rakhi flower, and why it is called Krishna kamal and its sunlight requirement and what the fertilizers we have to use in order to get more number of flowers throughout the year, and its growing habit and its plant care, everything. So everything is going to include in this video. So in order to know the full details, let's move on the video. So please watch till the end to have full information about this flower. Botanically, it is known as Passiflora incarnata, and it have different species. In this, many varieties are hybrid and some are wild type, and it have different colors like dark pink, light pink, orange, white, blue, purple, etc. And the flower shape is also different. And here is the most interesting fact about this plant is why it is called Krishna kamal. See, it is called Krishna kamal because according to Hindu epic Mahabharata, that there are about hundreds of blue petals, as you can see here. All these single petals refer each of the Kauravas in the Mahabharata, and the five yellow ones in the center is one for each of the Pandavas, and the green bulb in the center symbolizes Draupadi, the queen of the Pandavas, and also she is my favorite in Mahabharata. And the three filaments which you are seeing on the top, these are the Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, and the radial center in the flower, as you can see, this radial center is the Sudarshan chakra of Lord Krishna. Because of this, it is also known as Krishna kamal. And why it is called as a Rakhi flower, because as you can see, this flower same look like as that of Rakhi, which is one of the most popular and traditional Hindu festival, which is celebrated as the relationship of brother and sister in Hindu mythology. So now let's talk about its plant care. It is one of the finest flower on the earth, and it is a perennial, evergreen, year-round flowering plant for your garden, and it is best suited for your compound wall, gate, pergola, etc. Wherever you want, it remains evergreen and give beautiful flower. So now let's talk about the fertilizers, because fertilizers play the main key role in order to give flower throughout the year and remain fresh. And one thing about the flowering plant is better to use the phosphorus based fertilizer, because the main reason for flowering is phosphorus, and the nitrogen is mainly work for the foliage purpose and green purpose. So better to use phosphorus based fertilizers for full number of flowers and continuous flowering. I recommend to use any organic fertilizers once in a month. It is a compulsory for especially for flowering plants. You can use any organic fertilizers like vermicompost, cow dung manure, bone meal, or whatever the kitchen waste compost which are available to your home. You can use it, and try to locate your plants at a place wherever minimum 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlights are available. If you are planting your plant in a semi shade wherever the direct lights are not available, the flowers will not bloom, because for any flower it requires minimum 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight. So keep in mind that and place according to that. I think it is not attacked by any insect and pest, because this is one of the hardy plant, and it is very easy to grow at any climatic condition. But sometimes due to bad weather conditions, some insects may attack to this plant. So I always recommended you to please use neem oil spray once in a month, because it will get repellent because of bitterness in the neem oil. The insect get repellent and they not come close to this plant. So prevention is always better than cure. So use neem oil spray once in a month. So my dear friends, this is all about this fashion flower, and you can also trim it or prune it regularly in order to maintain good shape, and some diseased leaf is there, you can prune it, no problem. This is a common. And also you can plant it in pot or in directly in the ground. So wherever you plant, it will grow, no problem at all. So thank you for watching till the end, and you can also follow me on my Instagram, and you can also ask questions related to gardening, plants and landscaping. So I will try to answer. So I will give link in the descriptions of my Instagram. So, and if you find this video is informative, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want any details about any specific plant, then please do comment in the comment box. Surely I will try to make video on that. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.